Before the transformation, this is what she actually looks like. I already cleaned her face off camera with baby wipes. She's only trying to play with me. So I'm spraying her face with Taya's face toner. Want her face to be a little bit moist. To further add moisture to her face, I'm using this Even True Face Moisturizer. For primer, I'm using Becca Face Primer just so that the makeup, or so that she can be able to wear the makeup all day long. Primer is very important when it comes to bridal makeup. You do not want your bride's makeup to actually move, or you do not want your bride to really sweat off the makeup before or after the reception. For foundation, I'm using this foundation I just got. It's a Nigerian brand. It's called Tara Foundation. I think it's very new. It costs about 2,500 naira, and I'm using the shade TM321, I think. And this is the Flawless Matte Foundation. So because of the primer, I'm actually applying the foundation first with a small brush before going on to blend with a blending sponge to further blend the foundation. For concealer, as usual, I'm using LA Girl Concealer in Cream Beige underneath her eyes and also other parts I would like to highlight on her face, and then we'll just go ahead to still blend it with blending sponge. After blending, I'm going in with Sacha Buttercup Loose Powder just to set the concealer I applied earlier on. Most times I usually love to bake when it comes to, especially when it comes to bridals or bride makeup or bridal makeups. I usually love to bake because of the eyeshadow fallout eyeshadows, and also because after applying eyeshadows I usually do love to style the hair before completing the whole look, that's completing the makeup, then blend both the powder and the whole face. After baking, I'm just going to go ahead to define the brows, and I did that off camera, and I used the regular Davis pencil in number 18. And also now I'm just I'm cleaning up the brows, I'm defining it more better, and I'm using the concealer I used to highlight underneath her eyes, that's LA Concealer in Cream Beige. And then for the top brows, I'm going to go ahead to use the shade of her foundation to just clean up the top brow so that everything will be flawless. Now I'm just using an orange color as the first transition color on her outer V. All products will be listed, all the products used in this video will be listed in the description box below, so in case if you are interested you can easily just go and check it out. So I'm actually applying the Tara eyeshadow primer with my fingers so that I can easily blend it. So now I'm just applying a gold color on her eyelid, which is going to serve as the base. To apply the glitters, I'm actually using, or I'm going in with this benign glitter glue first before using or applying the glitters. So I'm applying it just on the lid. Okay, now I'm dusting out all the glitters that fell out while I was trying to apply it on the lid. And to further blend both the eyelid and the outer V eyeshadow colors, I'm actually using this brown color. So I'm just blending all colors together with this brown color so that there won't be any demarcation on the eyes. To line her eyes, I'm using LA Girl eyeliner, which is really affordable. I love this eyeliner. It doesn't dry, like weather doesn't dry it up. So I really like it, and it's really black. I actually coiled the wig. It's a wig, so I laid it off camera. I just got to big glue to lay the wig. It's a frontal wig. I laid it off camera. So I actually coiled the wig before now. I did that off camera as well, but it's not necessary for you to coil the hair before you start styling. For styling first, you guys have seen me insert the hair padding or insert hair padding on bright hair like lots and lots of times here on this channel. Hair padding tutorial is coming very soon. I haven't forgotten. So that video is coming up, I think next after this video. So guys, just stay tuned and also subscribe if you haven't so that you get notified, and give this video a big thumbs up if you are enjoying it or if you are learning something. Well, I advise you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. And also do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because it actually encourages us to keep filming more tutorials for you guys. Leave a comment in the comment section and share this video to friends and family. To insert this particular hair padding, I'm just folding it like so because I do not want that U shape to really be pronounced, and I also do not want the bond or the hair padding C or U shape to look big, so I want it to look really small. So that's what I'm going for. So after securing the hair padding using bobby pins, we just go ahead to spread the hair around or all over the hair padding, making sure that the hair is fully covering the hair padding before I go ahead to pin it down. So as I'm spreading the hair, I'm actually using a tail comb to help me do so, and then also using both my hands, just to make sure that the hair padding or the hair is actually really covering the hair padding. So afterwards, we just go ahead to use bobby pins to secure it in such a way that the bobby pins won't be visible. So once that is done, we just start styling the hair like so, and also using hair clips to just help me style it.
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same. You feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave aside my love.
And while I'm securing the style or securing the hair or styling the hair, I'm using bobby pins like I said before, and also pinning it in such a way that it will not be visible. It will make your work look neater. So right now we'll just allow you guys to see for yourself, because sometimes while styling hair it kind of gets difficult a little bit to explain. So I want you guys to just watch this video and see for yourself what I'm actually doing. You will learn a lot from this particular tutorial. So yeah, just watch, pay full attention, and yeah. I'm done styling, I'm using a scissors to just help trim off any flyaway hairs that are just trying to be stubborn. So I'm trimming it off so that everything will just look flawless. Okay, now back to the face. For her lip, I'm using this Magic Professional Cosmetics 12 flash color case lipstick. I just got the full name. So it's a lip palette I just got, and since I got this lip palette, I've been so obsessed with it. I've been using it. You guys will get to see me use it here very well on this channel because lots of videos are still coming up. So yeah, I'm actually doing an ombre lip. I'm applying the lipstick with a lip brush. I'm blending it as well as I'm applying. Okay, once that is done for her face, I'm going in with the shade of her powder just to dust out the loose powder, and also blend the face, blend all the powders together so that there won't be any demarcation. So right now I'm using a dark shade to just apply or to just contour her face. For highlights, I'm using this Candid Glow from Younger Beauty. I really love it. I love it so much. I like it. So I'm just using it to like highlight her face. So I went on to define underneath her eyes using eyeshadow and eyeliner off camera, and also decided to apply gloss to her lip so that the lip will just pop, you know. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope you were able to learn something new from this video. And if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It actually encourages us to film more videos for you guys. Don't forget that. Give it a big thumbs up. Share this video to friends and family. Leave a comment in the comment section and subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't get to miss it when I upload a new video. More videos coming up, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Makes me shake